For me, the most pressing issue for Wales at the moment is austerity.
The closure of the Independent Living Fund.
One of the main issues is to challenge the direction our democracy is going in.
It's the treatment of disabled people.
Keeping the welfare state secure and enough money for culture.
The effects of austerity, the loss of jobs, community services, the NHS, and the effects that this is having on our community.
Housing and ask for whether it be for asylum seekers or homeless people.
The biggest issue facing Wales is poverty.
It's not just about disabled people having the rights and choice to an independent and dignified life. It's about the kind of society that we want to be.
Whoever you are and wherever you're from, you should have access to the same quality of services, the same opportunities to learn, the same chances to participate in culture.
I think it's time to refocus, focus less on the relentless growth of business and more on nurturing the human and growing equality and humanity.
I feel like we live in a state of emergency. We're one of the richest countries in the world, and instead of looking after our most vulnerable, our most needy, we're investing in corporations, in arms, in wars, and in oil. Something has to change.